Hi, welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. Jason here, and today I have one of my all-time favorite Omega timepieces here that's just jam-packed with a lot of great features, so stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. Today we're talking about the Seamaster Planet Ocean from Omega, and the Planet Ocean series was introduced in about 2005 to join the Seamaster line, and they've made a lot of great changes to this timepiece here and just a lot of different additions, and this one happens to be one of my all-time favorites that we carry here at SwissWatchExpo. So if you take a really close look here, we do have a really nice 39.5 millimeter case. I think it's just perfect. I think the 39 to 40 millimeter case size is kind of like that really nice modern timepiece size, and the way that Omega does this case right here does really make it look really slim, and it looks really nice when you're wearing it on the wrist. Now if you really take a close look here, you do have a beautiful ceramic case, which is just going to hold up a lot better than like a stainless steel or a titanium. You do have the brown zirconium oxide ceramic dial, which I think is just a beautiful color. I think it's just a nice neutral color that you can wear on a daily basis. And they just really did a good job, especially pairing it with the Sedna Gold on here. Now, I know it looks like rose gold, and it technically is rose gold, but in about 2012, 2013, Omega actually created their own line of the rose gold. They call it Sedna Gold. And Sedna is actually a name of a planetoid in the solar system, which is actually one of the most red planets that you can find. And so they want to name their rose gold after that name there. And you know, Rolex has done the same thing with their ever rose gold, so they'll source their own type of gold. Now, what makes the Sedna Gold so special versus just a traditional rose gold is traditionally made with yellow gold, silver, and copper. And whereas the Sedna Gold, they actually, instead of using silver, they actually use a rarer metal called palladium, which really gives it a nice, true reddish gold tone to the timepiece. And also, it's not going to change hues over time, whereas the traditional 18 karat rose gold will probably fade over time as you wear it, but this one right here is going to hold up really well as you're wearing it. And I think it just pairs really nicely with just that overall brown theme that this timepiece is going for. And one thing I really enjoy about this timepiece here is just the leather, or not the leather band, but the rubber band that's on here. It does look like a leather strap from far away, but as you get a little bit closer, it is actually made of a rubberized material. And I love that it's got this kind of like quilted pattern to it with the deployant buckle clasp here that's also made of ceramic. So whenever you get any sort of damage on the timepiece, usually you're seeing it more on the clasp. So with this being ceramic right here, it's just going to hold up really well just as a daily wear of this timepiece. This is just a gorgeous watch, one of my absolute favorites here in the Omega line. Just so much to love. You do have the exhibition case back on here, which I really enjoy. I want to be able to see the movements of a timepiece and just to see the mechanics and just the overall artistry that they put into putting this together. On top of that, you do have a 600 meter water resistance rating on this, 55-hour power reserve, automatic movement, and you do have a really nice anti-magnetic feature to this, which is about 15,000 Gauss, which is going to be really nice to kind of deal with the magnetic field, so it's not going to mess with this timepiece here. We do have this one available here at SwissWatchExpo.com. We don't have very many left. We do have this one and a GMT version available. So check us out, SwissWatchExpo.com, and leave a comment down below. What's your favorite in the Omega line? This one happens to be one of my favorites, and one day I'm going to go ahead and own this timepiece. So again, check us out here at SwissWatchExpo.com.